Hello students, now let's come to very important topic of oxyacids of nitrogen. We can represent them HNOx. So these two will match with this expression. However, it is little different. So let us draw the structures of all of these. हमें ज़रूरत पड़ेगी कि वैलेंसी चार्ट की. Hydrogen has valency 1, carbon is 4, nitrogen is 3, oxygen is divalent and fluorine is monovalent. So let us start with this hyponitrous acid, right? It has a nitrogen in the minimum oxidation state. तो सबसे पहले हम एक चीज़ सीखें, जितने भी ऑक्सी एसिड्स हमें पढ़ने होते हैं उसमें जो हाइड्रोजन वाला पार्ट होता है दैट इज़ जनरली एसोसिएटेड विद ऑक्सीजन, यानी हाइड्रोजन विल नॉट बॉन्ड विद nitrogen. So let us put hydrogen on this side, right? So this is the linear kind of arrangement. Now what you draw, you connect these hydrogens with oxygen. Now you can see this is the group which has a valency of 1. This is also a group which has a valency equal to 1, right? And nitrogen has a valency of 3. So what we can do, we can make single bond over here and then we can have double bond between these two nitrogens. So this is the structure of hyponitrous acid, right? Now let's come to nitrous acid. तो सबसे पहले हम अपने constituent atoms को एक साथ arrange कर दें. H, O, there is another oxygen and then N. Now let us recall the valencies of these. Hydrogen 1, oxygen 2 and nitrogen 3. As I said earlier, this is the single group. So if this is the single group and they combine with each other, then it becomes a hydroxide kind of group, OH, then oxygen and then nitrogen. Now you can clearly see the valency. After they join, this whole group has valency equal to 1, this is valency equal to 2 and this is valency 3. That means this will be the central atom and these two combine with that. So let me draw it over here. So put nitrogen, then has a single bond with OH and a double bond with another oxygen, and just keep a lone pair over here. This acid is quite important because in organic compounds, especially diazonium preparation, this acid is used, and you can prepare HNO2 by treating NaNO2 with mineral acids like HCl. Okay, now let's come to the final and most important acid of nitrogen, that is HNO3. So let us list everything. एक H है, 3 इसमें ऑक्सीजन है, फिर एक नाइट्रोजन है और इनकी वैलेंसीज हमें अच्छी तरह मालूम है. OH ग्रुप एक साथ रहेगा, इसकी वैलेंसी 1 हो गई, इसकी वैलेंसी 2 है, इसकी वैलेंसी भी 2 है और इसकी 3 है. एक चीज़ देख सकते हैं, वैलेंसी ऑफ दिस नाइट्रोजन is 3 and total of all these valencies is not 3. So we will do some kind of internal arrangement. So what we'll do, we will increase nitrogen in valency by giving it a plus charge, right? And since if we give a plus charge to nitrogen, we have to give minus to something else. That means oxygen will acquire a minus charge to become monovalent. So let us now do that. So there is a group OH which is ready with a single bond, then there is nitrogen, there is oxygen and there is oxygen with a formal charge. Now let us have the redistribution of charges. जैसा कि हमने कहा नाइट्रोजन को प्लस कर देंगे, so it will become a tetravalent species. तो हमें एक ऑक्सीजन को माइनस करना ही होगा like this. अब इसकी वैलेंसी 2 है तो attach it like this. Then this is monovalent OH group and then this is again. So this is the formula of structure of nitric acid. You can have a delocalization over here. You can have resonance delocalization. So overall bond order will be 1.5 that you can verify. HNO3 is a very important acid, is a very powerful oxidizing agent. Is prepared generally from ammonia oxidation or salt displacement also. So enjoy this topic.